What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another review on Taco Tuesday. It's almost 90 degrees outside. It's 75 right now, but it feels like 100. This is not big back season. I'm down here on East North Avenue. I had to stop at senorgorditos. What I get? Red, not green. High C from McDonald's. Of course, goddammit. The fuck? Let's see. So we got 2 chicken. That's those right there. Regular. Then the one that's covered with sour cream, that's a supreme shrimp. Squeeze that lime on top of everything. If it ain't liming, it ain't diming. Red sauce, of course. Drench that bitch. Start off with this chicken joint, corn shell. They $3 today, y'all. That shredded joint. Cilantro and onion. That motherfucker fire. If you eat American tacos, on Taco Tuesday, go ahead and go sit your ass down somewhere. I wouldn't even buy American taco on Taco Tuesday. Then we got a supreme shrimp. Now let's see. My first time ever eating a shrimp taco, I ain't gonna lie to you. This motherfucker kind of fat. All it really takes is sour cream. Some more red sauce. You gotta drown that bitch. First shrimp taco ever. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna fucking body, y'all. Shit. Okay. Right that long. Best drink on earth. I'm telling y'all, doing food reviews in your car, man, you gotta get your car clean so much. Ridiculous. That's supreme shrimp. I was a fire biddy right there. Hold on, y'all. Right, it's dripping. It's dripping everywhere. Just slurred chicken. And cilantro and lime. $3 today, y'all. Senor, yep, I spit something on my mouth on accident. Senorgorditos. Right next to Chubby's. In the parking lot. East North Avenue. Kenwood. Deuces.